My next project was going to be this summer dress. Okay, so I decided I wanted to make my own leather gloves from scratch. I saw this wonderful video from Vincent Briggs. He shows you the trials and tribulations of making gloves from scratch. His link is below. Okay, so after watching Vincent Briggs' video on how to make gloves, you need to have glover's needles to sew them. They're rather expensive for just one time. I don't plan on making more gloves in the future, but this little hack will save you money if you're just doing it once or twice. You will need milliner needles and emery boards, coarse and fine. The reason you need milliner needles is because the eye of the needles are the same width as the shaft of the needle, and you don't want to make bigger holes in the leather. You want to make as small as possible while still being able to sew. Here is a glover's needle. It's kind of like triangle with 3 sides, almost like a harpoon, but it was too big for my project. Okay, you're going to take a milliner's needle and an emery board. Any emery board will do. A little rougher one's the best, and hold your needle at a 45-degree angle and scrape it, but don't let it turn. Hold it in the same place. You might even get some sparks, so I would not recommend do this by gasoline or anything else. Flammable, or else. But keep doing it, and you'll notice, if I can get this close, that the needle has one flat edge if you keep doing it. You could go in circles to smooth it out. Then you could do it on a less coarse emery board to smooth it out some more and make it finer and sharper. You'll know if you've done it right if you take a piece of leather and you stick it in, and it goes in easily without tearing or ripping. And that's what you want when you're sewing. You want it to go in easily. And I use millinery needles because they don't have a wider eye. So when you sew with them, it doesn't make the hole any bigger. So there is your glover's needle hack.